Hi, it's Catherine from Just Fabrics, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an outdoor seat cushion. Everything you need for this make can be found in the description below. Measure your seat and add a 2 cm seam allowance. Our seat was 48 cm by 48 cm, so we have cut out one 50 by 50 cm square of our main fabric and one of our secondary fabric. Place them right sides facing and fold them in half. Round off one of the raw corners with your scissors. Unfold your pieces and you can now see the rounded front side of the seat cushion. Cut 4 35 cm pieces of your ribbon or bias binding. In pairs, place your bias binding pieces sandwiched between the 2 fabric layers on the rear of your seat cushion, about 5 cm in from each corner. Make sure the bias binding is laying inside the fabric pieces. Pin these in place and then pin around the entire seat cushion too, leaving a small gap on the rear edge. Sew around the entire seat cushion, leaving the small gap open. Clip the pointed corners and cut slits in the rounded corners. Turn the cushion right sides out and fill the cushion with your wadding. Hand sew the small gap closed with a slip stitch. And now you have your finished seat cushion, perfect for outdoor use. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial on how to make an outdoor seat cushion. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe below. You can head to our website for lots more inspiration and how-to guides.